Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to open your Bosch washing machine door when locked. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so if your Bosch washing machine door is locked, it usually means the cycle is still running, the machine detected water inside, or there's an issue like a malfunction or child lock. So what we can do to fix this. So step one here is wait for the cycle to end. So if the door locks during the wash for safety and typically unlocks 1 to 3 minutes after the cycle finishes, listen for a click, that's the lock disengaging. Step 2, check for water inside. If water is still in the drum, the machine won't unlock. Run a spin drain cycle to empty the water. If that fails, manually drain the machine. Unplug the machine, turn off and unplug the washing machine from the wall. Wait 5 to 10 minutes. Sometimes this resets the system and releases the lock. Another thing what we can try is disable the child lock if it is active. So look for a key symbol or CL on this. Press and hold the button indicator in your user manual. Often start pause or RPM for 3 to 5 seconds to turn it off the child lock. If your machine is still locked, you may need to use the manual door release. So to do that, access the drain pump area. So that's every machine's different, but on this demonstration, it's on the bottom here. Open that panel up from the machine. Look for a pull cord or lever. It's usually colored red, orange, etc. And just pull it gently. This should release the door lock. And you might need to do a manual drain. So place a bowl and towel under the drain filter, slowly open the drain cap and release the water. Once empty, try opening the door again.